Motherboard, we have the ASUS Prime X670P ATX AM5 motherboard. The ASUS Prime X670P excels with its robust power design and comprehensive connectivity options. Supporting AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, it features a 12+2 DOCT-RM EOS power stage configuration, ensuring stable power delivery even for high core count CPUs. The motherboard includes 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, supporting up to 128 GB of RAM with speeds up to 6,400 MHz, which is ideal for memory-intensive applications. Connectivity is a strong suit of the Prime X670P. It offers 3 M2 slots, with the primary slot supporting PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast data transfer speeds up to 128 gigabits per second. This makes it suitable for quick boot times and rapid application loading. Additionally, it includes multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Type-C, and supports Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for high-speed networking. The motherboard also features comprehensive cooling solutions, including large VRM heatsinks and AI cooling, which dynamically adjusts fan speeds for optimal thermal performance. The ASUS OptiMem 2 technology enhances memory stability and overclocking potential by optimizing trace routing. Next up, the CPU. We have the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D excels in gaming performance thanks to its innovative 3DV cache technology that provides 128 megabytes of L3 cache. This 16-core, 32-thread processor operates at a base clock of 4.2 GHz and boosts up to 5.7 GHz, making it a powerhouse for both gaming and productivity tasks. Its lower TDP of 120 watts compared to the regular 7950X ensures better energy efficiency. In gaming benchmarks, the 7950X3D often outperforms its competitors, including Intel's top chips, making it the fastest gaming CPU available. However, its performance in productivity applications can be slightly lower due to the same cache design that benefits gaming.